Here we are again together for the super quick revision series of costing, and today's topic is material. Material chapter comes in question number 1. Material and labor, and then two types of costing, generally marginal costing या budgeting. ये तो question number 1 में आता है, plus some theory questions also, right? And it's a super easy topic. So let us do a quick revision of the material chapter. Already cost sheet is done for all of you. Check that. And next we'll be doing labor, overhead, and all the types of costing. The purpose of the super quick revision video is so that you have followed the concept in Sarthi. You have done the problems in writing with me, along with me, past exam paper, study material problem. But then as and how we go into the other subjects, next month you're doing DT with me, law you will be revising accounts. Sometimes we tend to get out of the subject. So a quick revision of all the concepts with handwritten booster notes. My own handwritten booster notes I've got converted that I'm going to share with all of you. Watch this video repeatedly for the best of benefit. Okay, right? Let me go right in the beginning and share with all of you. So let us first check what are the topics we should know in material chapter. We should know EOQ related problems with discount policy. Generally, EOQ is the economic order quantity which you should buy. I'll go into the detail. But sometimes if they give you good discount, even if your ordering or carrying cost is more, you may accept it. So these kind of questions are asked. Then stock level related questions are asked. Wherein they will ask you to calculate different levels of stock. EOQ is the answer of ki kitna kharidu, how much to buy. Stock level is like your hunger, when to buy. When you reach the reorder level, place the order. When you are in maximum level, stop. When you are in minimum level, buy emergency. So these are stock level problems. Then we have purchase related problem. While purchasing, so many other expenses are there. So how to get the cost per unit and all. Okay. Then stock ledgers, how to maintain, that kind of problem we will check. Stock out concept is there. You know, probability hai ki you may be running out of the stock. So one problem is there in study material, twice same problem is asked. And then you have theory questions in this chapter. If you tell me, ma'am, theory question in operating or service costing kuch bhi nahi hai, but here you have, like, what is the treatment of wastage? What are the 5 ways of treating the defective cost? Yes, ABC analysis, fast and slow moving item, FSN, and all that. Okay, right. So let us quickly, these are all basic things you all know. Just in time purchase, whenever you need, you order the material, but you have a very good rapport with the creditor, or jab phone karte ho, material is available and all. In maintaining all this costing related system for material, lot of documents are prepared. Like sales department will say we are making a target of this much sales to production will say to raw material department we want this material, raw material will say to purchase department get us this, and then they will place the PO. When goods will come, goods का receipt note बनेगा कि अंदर आने दो stock room में, so that every department knows कि हाँ जो order दिया था आ गया. Inspection होगा. Then when it is issued, material requisition note के against the goods are issued to production. So all these documents are there. So sometimes straight question for 4 marks, 8 bits. Who will prepare the document and who will use it? Bill of material is like standard for producing 1 liter of oil. What all material is required? Standard. This will be prepared by the engineering department. Purchase requisition will be prepared by the stores department, and it will be given to the purchase department ki we want this much. Purchase order will be given by purchase department. Inspection report, when the goods come, inspection department will do and intimate keys to stores and all ki chalo inspection ho gaya. They will also give 1 copy to the accounts department. GRN will be prepared, goods receipt note. Okay. When the goods are received, material outward or return note, stores department. Material requisition note, कौन request करेगा? Production department. Okay. Material return जब production से वापस जा रहा है, and so on. Transfer note, Production department will make a transfer note because I issued the material for job A. Now they are transferring वहीं के वहीं to job B. मेरे पास excess है, job B को दे रहे. So they will prepare a transfer note. Now, EOQ, questions related to EOQ are asked. EOQ is the economic order quantity. How much to purchase? If we purchase A is our annual requirement. If we purchase 1 lakh rupees at a time, 1 lakh rupees ka material at a time, my carrying cost is high. I'll have to keep a big go down. I'll put so much of money will be blocked, interest will be done. कितना सारा खरीद के रखा है, wastage ज़्यादा होगा. Whole year I'll have to manage the material. So चलो, I need 1 lakh units, but let us order 10,000 units. So when I order 10,000 units, my ordering cost will be at 10,000 units are over. फिर order place करो, send someone to buy. Call the material in an auto, whether you buy 10,000 or 50,000, maybe the auto fare is same. Just a small example. So your ordering cost will be high if you order small quantity. Small EOQ, ordering cost will be high, carrying cost will be low. Because when you have ordered only less, the interest and carrying and storage cost will be less. When you order, see, without this also you can learn the formula and by heart and do. Little twist in the question, you will miss out. So, when you have high quantity, ek saath, your ordering cost is low, but your carrying cost is high. So, this is like a weighing machine and vegetables, putting vegetable. We need to have equilibrium. At EOQ, ordering cost and carrying cost are same and equal. In my routine class, I teach derivation also कि ये formula कैसे बनाए. 2 minute लगता है और बहुत अच्छा explanation है, but right now I'm not doing because we want to go for super quick revision. So what is economic? Acha, did you digest this at EOQ? Ordering cost and carrying cost are same also, dear student, and they are least also. So under root 2AB by C. A is annual requirement of the raw material. B is buying cost per order. C is carrying cost per unit per annum. I want all of you to put this in circle. So many times they give you carrying cost per month. So you have to multiply by 12. So many times carrying cost is given 10% of purchase cost. तो ले लो आप. पर अगर purchase cost change होगा because of discount, then carrying cost will also change. Clear or not? Right? So like this, take care that you get this. And sometimes they can ask you diagram also. On this side you put quantity, on this side you put cost. Higher the quantity you, जैसे जैसे quantity बढ़ते जाएगा ना, आपका ordering cost कम हो जाएगा, लेकिन आपका carrying cost बढ़ जाएगा. Because the more quantity you order, more storage cost, interest cost, all. So this is your economic order quantity and this is the cost at the economic order quantity. But when I say, even if you need 1 lakh units, if EOQ is 10,000, buy 10,000. I am making certain assumptions whenever I need material is available. Suppose you are making pickles out of mango. Can you say, Dipti ma'am ने बोला 10,000 kgs ही खरीदो mango. 1 lakh है ना, 10 बार खरीदना. Mango season is only 2 months. So if it is a seasonal business, if it is that raw material is not available, or the prices are changing, there are so many factors wherein forget about the EOQ. पूरे साल का लेके you will put the mangoes into preservative to make pickle throughout the year. Simple logic. Costing is around us. The more you understand, the more you will enjoy. So we are assuming that annual requirement is constant, buying cost is constant, carrying cost will not change. We have done problems in our class where carrying cost is changing because of discount and, in short, EOQ ki aisi taisi. Forget about the EOQ. We know it looks idle, looks good, but they are giving such a huge discount. Instead of 10,000 as EOQ, if I purchase 50,000, they are giving me discount, and my discount is so high. To absorb that additional cost, I may buy 50,000 units. That's what is EOQ concept. Raw material are available throughout the year. If they are seasonal, forget about EOQ. Production schedule is same. Cost per unit is constant. Lead time. Moment I need, I get the material just in time. So if my lead time is huge, I'm staying in Hyderabad and my material is coming from Srinagar. I have a handicraft store in Hyderabad. So I need to consider that lead time. That even if I place the order, at least it will take 4 to 5 days to come and transport. So 5 days का stock है, तब भी पहले ही order दे दो. These are all beautiful concepts. So many times EOQ and ROQ may be same and may not be same. So EOQ and ROQ. What is ROQ, dear students? Reorder quantity. Reorder quantity. कितना order देना है? EOQ. So you will not order EOQ if material is not freely available. Seasonal problem. Quantity based discounts are given and the discounts are really awesome. Forget about the EOQ. Substantial lead time is involved. Deepti ma'am said EOQ kharido, but when you went to market, wholesale market, Begum Bazaar, they said nahi, lot size 25,000 piece ka hi aata hai, itna to milega hi nahi. So then minimum purchase quantity, if it exceeds EOQ, we cannot buy EOQ. We need to buy extra and keep extra. So these are all assumptions. Okay? Right. So I've completed with the EOQ concept. If you have any doubt, ask me. Yes? And once we have done with EOQ, then we can go to the stock level concept. Stock levels, this significance is also asked as theory questions. Reorder level. Kab order dena hai? Maximum usage into maximum. What is maximum usage? I am daily using 30 units, but sometimes I may use 50, average 40. 5 days में आता है, कभी 7 दिन भी लगते हैं, average 6 days. So maximum usage and maximum lead time, if I multiply, I'll get the reorder level. Okay, safety stock plus lead time consumption. That also you can take. Reorder level. What is safety stock? इतना तो stock हम रखते ही हैं minimum, and lead time is required. Okay, वो lead time consumption is lead time usage और कितना average time लगता है. Minimum level is reorder level minus average. Reorder level is maximum. Minimum level is reorder level minus average. This, you know, if you practice, you will get. Maximum, stop the purchases. Reorder level plus reorder quantity, that is nothing but EOQ minus minimum usage into minimum lead time. And what is average level of the stock? Maximum minimum divided by 2 or minimum plus half of EOQ. Danger level, nothing given in the exam. I've given 3 formulas, but most of the time they are using. Danger level is like emergency purchase karo, nahi to stock out ho jayega, production ruk jayega. Average usage into minimum lead time. Say my average usage is 40 और 5 दिन तो कम से कम आने लगते हैं. So if 200 units are there and it will take 5 days, place the order immediately. No, if you have placed, keep a track, right? And ROQ can be taken as EOQ. Now, what is the importance of all this level? Reorder level, maximum usage into maximum lead time. This is the level at which your next purchases should be done. Minimum level is the lowest level. Minimum itna to stock rakhna hi hai. You know, you will never go out of the stock. Maximum level is the upper limit. Stop the investment. Average level is mostly used. Average stock हम कहाँ देते हैं? इंश्योरेंस के लिए. गोडाउन में कितना स्टॉक है? वैसे तो 10,000 यूनिट खरीदते, but 10,000 by 2. Average stock is Q by 2. That's what we purchase always. Submission of the stock statement for bank and all, we use the average stock. Danger level, minimum emergency purchase करना है. Maximum is like highest level, then average, then reorder level, then EOQ, then minimum, then danger, buffer, and zero. No stock. Okay, right? Then in this you have different kind of analysis. Once they have asked question on 5 marks, see, we are teaching you EOQ, we are teaching you stock levels, abhi I'll teach you ratios. So many material related control techniques we are using, first in first out. Will you follow that for each and every type of your inventory? No. Suppose I am into teaching, number of students, that many material will be there. But they write offline exams with me. So stapler pins, char gaye, char karo. Will I say EOQ? No. Stapler pins, those answer sheet bundles, that I will bring and keep it, and 6 months mein ek bar I will check. So ABC analysis is, A is that number of that item which is like leather sheets. Value is very high, quantity is low, but you will maintain your main raw material. That is A category. B is value bhi theek hai and percentage quantity bhi theek. C is percentage value is very low. Stapler pins, laces, kuch extra material. But value is very high. One packet of stapler pin, if I get 100 pins are there. Kitne student, kitne, I'll not maintain the stock level of stapler pins. But I'll use this, this is like control by choice. You can't control everything. So let us control which is very important value wise. That's what is ABC analysis. And like this, nowadays they are asking you 5 marks question, fast moving, slow moving inventory. Yeah, I've written here all fast, slow moving on the basis of inventory. So, over the period, if you know ki this is my fast moving item, you can have a good margin there. Non moving item को slow moving के साथ combo में, okay, one slow moving item के साथ non moving item वैसे भी non moving है, dead stock हो रहा है, तो give it complementary and push it like that. These are all business policies. Once you understand costing 3-4 chapters, no, you will understand around you how schemes are made. All these malls, supermarket, big bazaar, and west side and all, how do they make schemes? Buy to get this and get this voucher and all. Vital, essential, desirable. Superb example is medicine shop. Vital is you will have all important medicines. Essential, say now conjunctivitis, so they keep it on the counter क्योंकि morning से 10 customer आके यही drops लेके जा रहे, so it's essential. Okay, and like it's a medical shop, but they'll keep diapers and wipes and all, so it's like essential goods, face wash, all. Desirable, biscuits, cookies. Now they are selling medicines, but if they keep biscuit, cookies, it's good, no? Desirable. Like that, high, medium, low on basis of the price. So this is the way you can categorize and control, and this is a simple question you can read. Now, FIFO, LIFO direct questions are not asked, but in other chapters they are asked. So what is FIFO? Whatever comes first goes first. What is LIFO? Whatever comes first that will go last. जो last आया वो पहले चला जाता है, पुराना पड़ा है आपके पास स्टॉक में, that is last in first out. And what is average? Whatever material you have received, 5 kgs I received at 10 rupees, 11 kgs I received at, सबको add कर दो, total cost divide by total quantity you will issue. And in ledgers, how do you maintain the ledgers? Particulars and 3 columns: receipt, issue, and closing stock. And in each 3 sub column, what are 3 sub column? Quantity, rate, amount received, quantity, rate, amount issued. So FIFO, LIFO, weighted average, this you know from your foundation, but there are some pitfalls. If you take care of these points, 5 out of 5 marks yours if they ask. मैम मैं मटेरियल चैप्टर हर बार EOQ रीऑर्डर लेवल पे छोड़ देता हूँ. That means have you stopped watching the video at this step? Don't do it. EOQ में जो डिस्काउंट का कॉन्सेप्ट I'll explain from my material after this. Let us check up. Points to remember for stores ledger. Purchase return should be recorded at original cost. I have purchased 3-4 items. Out of that second item I want to give return to my creditor जिससे खरीदा है. So this return should go at the original cost of the purchase. Ma'am, but I am following FIFO, LIFO. No, this is not issued to production. FIFO LIFO is issued to production. This is receipt and issued back to the creditors. Issues to production. Return from the production to the shop floor should be recorded at the latest price. Whenever production में कुछ extra and it is coming back to the shop, record it at latest issue price. जो अभी last issue किया ना वही वापस आए. And logically, if I have issued this much material for production, they will use. Whatever has come latest, they will use last, and if they don't use, they will return to the storeroom. So whenever if there is a return from the production, I challenge you must not have studied like this. This is mind mapping. Revise it again and again, or problems और सब तो हमने किए हैं सारथी बैच में. So production to shop floor, take it at latest issue price, irrespective of the method followed, and again reissue that first. जो वापस आया ना 2 दिन के बाद, if they ask for material, no, send that material first. No entry to be recorded when there is transfer from one job to another job, one job to another job. Nothing is coming back to me. I have to issue to job A. Now it is with job B. Of course, they'll intimate me so that in cost of job A and B, we take properly, but nothing will come here. Normal shortage is absorbed in good units. My closing stock is 50 units, 5,000 rupees. Dear students, look at the screen. 50 यूनिट्स बट हम फिजिकली काउंट करने गए तो 45 ही है 5,000 रुपीज 5 यूनिट्स आर नॉर्मल यूनिट्स विच आर इवेपोरेटेड डिफेक्टिव कुछ खराब हो गए नॉर्मल so can I say normal loss is absorbed in good units and just reduce the quantity abnormal loss है अगर 5 units so at the same rate 50 units 5,000 तो 5 units at say 50 rupees जो भी calculation आ रहा है abnormal loss transfer it to costing P&L. That's all about the ledger. How is this super quick revision? You want me to go slow? You want me to give more examples? What will be helpful to you? Because upcoming next is labor and then overheads. So if you can tell me, I'll make it as more suitable to all of you. All right. Let us check whatever material I receive, trade discount minus करना है, quantity discount minus करना है, cash discount don't consider, grants and all minus, toll tax and all include add, GST if ITC is availed don't take it, demurrage charges is abnormal cost don't take it, detention charges don't take it, penalties don't take it, insurance charges of course if it is in transit take, commission if you have paid for purchases add, freight inward add, cost of the containers superb. So many times I get say cold drinks or badam milk in those containers. If they are non-returnable, then container cost also I will add it in the purchase. If they are returnable, so suppose deposit I have paid 50,000 and they returned me 40,000. So this 10,000 cost out of my pocket, I will add it in the purchase. 50,000 I paid deposit, 40 मुझे वापस आ गया. And suppose 50,000 is non-returnable, then add the whole 50,000 to the purchases. Shortage if they are normal absorb in good units. If they are abnormal transfer to costing P&L. And now ratio, this ratio is used in accounts and single entry. This is used in FM. This is used in costing. Someday they can give you an income tax business head also, God knows. Yes. Stock turnover ratio is how many times raw material I'm buying and using for production buying. Kitna? Higher the turnover ratio, the more active the company is. So cost of the raw material consumed divide by average stock. Raw material consumed, you know, opening purchase minus closing, and average stock is opening closing divide by 2. Now whatever inventory turnover ratio I get, in numerator if I take 365 days divide by inventory or stock turnover ratio, I will get number of days inventory is held. Week लूं तो week, month लूं तो month. Clear है? Right? This we use it, and very nice, simple. I've seen like 5 marks. इतने easy question आपको पूछते हैं ना इसमें. This is also very nice question. AXCN, BXCN or stock out, probability, chances. Assuming company is willing to take 15% risk out, means 85% आपको time पे stock मिलेगा. ये probability का एक ही problem है. 15% chance कि you will be out of stock means your stock is coming instead of 6-7 days. So if I know per day my requirement is 100 pieces, can I keep one day more buffer? Like this, it's there in the study material. Just check it once, and if you want any explanation and help, join the Telegram group, connect with us in WhatsApp Challenger group. All this is theory. Now this I am not discussing. Like अगर कुछ product defective हो गया, so if that defect is because of some job mistake, charge it to that job, charge it to that department. If you cannot fix it up anywhere, charge it to costing P&L. So I think majorly we have done. Now before I close, let me move on to the booster notes. Yeah, EOQ I told you. Yeah, what is ordering cost and carrying cost and how to calculate that? You know what is ordering cost? A by Q. My annual requirement is 1 lakh and I am buying 10,000 units. Can I say this is number of orders 10? 1 lakh units I want to buy, divide by 10,000 units I am buying. So what is number of orders? A by Q, number of orders into ordering cost. So A by Q into B. Carrying cost, how much I am buying? 10,000 units. How much will be there in my godown? 10,000 आया, फिर 7, 8, 6, फिर आया. So average, can I say 10,000 divided by 2? Q by 2 will be there in my godown into carrying cost per unit. If you have done the problems with us, you will be super clear. 2 minutes. If I can share here, I'll open 1 second. You know, our material, Sarthi material, because there I have written. Timekeeping, time booking. No, this is to labor chapter. 1 second. Yeah. Just 2 minutes. I can share with you how to do the discount problem, which are surely coming, dear students, in question number 1. EOQ diagram, ordering cost, ये सब आपको clearly बताया है. ये देखो. My EOQ is coming 200. At EOQ, ordering cost and carrying cost will be same. At EOQ, ordering cost and 1 second. At ordering cost. So look at this now. What is the purchase price? Annual requirement 5,000 into the purchase price. What is carrying cost? Q by 2 by C. Ma'am, what is this formula? Carrying. Any time 200 units you are carrying, divide by 2. Average stock is always divided by 2. And carrying cost per unit is 4. Ordering cost is A by Q. A by Q is number of orders. They are asked for 1 mark. 5,000 units you want to buy and 200 you are buying. If you divide, you will get number of orders into B. So A by Q into B is your ordering cost. Q by 2 into C is your carrying cost and purchase. This is total cost. Now, instead of 20, if they decide, 1 second. Yeah. Instead of 20, if they decide to give me in 12 rupees 80 paisa. Are you all with me here? Yes. And then they said instead of 200 you buy 250 units. Yes. Then my ordering cost and carrying cost are there. It can be high, low, anything. But agar 250 units khareed rahe ho and they are giving you discount, your cost is going down. Look at it now. Screen moving is giving trouble. So will you go for the discount policy or not? Like this, many problems. Here, if you see the next problem, every time I'm following the same format, but ma'am, in the material they have given vertical. If they do like this also, they'll give you mark. 200 units if you are buying, EOQ 8, and your carrying and ordering cost is same, but your cost is 32 lakh 16,000. Instead of that 4,000 if you buy, okay, your purchase cost has come down from 32 lakhs to 30 lakhs, but your other cost has increased, overall cost is increasing, so discount offer will not be accepted. And this in routine we have written and we have studied. ये देखो, मटेरियल कॉस्ट में इंपॉर्टेंट क्या क्या ऐड करना है, क्या लेस करना है, एंड देन दिस ऑल सारथी रूटीन. 2 दिन में इन 5 hours we have done all this. Levels, how to use the levels, and there are combination problems where they ask you EOQ also, they ask you levels also. May 23 RTP, November 23 RTP, all we have solved. Okay, right, just ending it in 5 minutes with this. So this is the cost, how you get purchase price, ordering cost, carrying cost. If it is discount approach, sometimes instead of reduction in the discount price from 20 rupees to 12 rupees 50 paisa, they give you discount amount, so you can take the discount basis decision also. Associate cost का मतलब क्या है? Ordering cost and carrying cost. At EOQ, ordering cost is equal to carrying cost. है ना? Your ordering cost is 200, carrying cost is 200, associate cost. So in exam, if they give you associate cost, can you do half and can you get the ordering and carrying cost and fill up the fill in the blanks? Purchase में सब add करना है, वो बता दिया आपको. Purchase quantity minus normal loss. Yeah, sometimes they give you how much addition, they ask you in EOQ problem, how much additional discount they give. So earlier at EOQ, my cost is 10,000. If I'm changing the lot cost, lot का size अगर मैं बढ़ा दे रही हूँ, my cost is 15,000. So you give me discount so much that this 5,000 additional cost is covered up. Then I may accept that lot offer. See, once again, many of you are not clear what I'm saying. I'll go little slow. And please comment below if you really find this useful, and some more inputs from your side would motivate me to make more quality good revision videos, not what I want to share my knowledge. I have qualified as a CA in 2000, and since last 23 years I have been in teaching. ये इंट्रोडक्शन था, ठीक है. बट आपको हम क्यों बोल रहे हैं कि what exactly is the point where you need help, there I should explain, right? So suppose you buy 100 units, EOQ 10,000. If you increase lot size 250, your cost is increasing. So they are saying 250 खरीदो ना, तो ठीक है, फिर give us discount. How much discount? You give us 5,000 discount on the original price, we will go for lot size. Right. And these all pointers I have already discussed. Ratio analysis. See the way I have written booster notes at one glance. 1 or 2 pages. ये तो cost sheet तो एक पेज नंबर 1 में हो गया. मटीरियल चैप्टर थोड़ा बड़ा है तो रीऑर्डर लेवल्स, स्टॉक लेजर के पॉइंट, रेशियोज खत्म. Tell me one day before exam if you revise these booster notes. Have you revised all the formats? I'll surely share it PDF, but not one by one. Let me complete all the topics. And separately also, I'll give you the PDF for all the specific, those chapter-wise theory questions which are repeatedly asked. Like in question number 1, they'll give you any 4 type of the cost. Imputed cost, conversion cost, engineering cost, explain in one line, or distinguish between cost reduction, cost control. What are the essential requirement of a good cost accounting system? Or they'll give 8 kind of the businesses, and for half of mark they'll ask you to write ki ye business ko which type of costing will be suitable and what will be the cost unit, right? So I hope you take the best of this benefit. Do comment below and let me know speed or kam karna hai, examples or dena hai, because I have taught regular batch, then I've taught Sarthi batch. wherein the core problems in writing along with past exam RTPs and study material. And now this is the super quick revision video. Do share it with at least 5 of your friends if you feel it is helpful and worth it. Thank you so much. And for such more lives, do connect with us in Magic of Logic Live. Every Saturday morning, I'm taking 15-20 minutes explaining the concepts as never learned before. If you understand concept, you can check the videos. Add and less concept bataya ek baar, taxability of dividend, then overall the approach of the exam is taken to the next level. That's the aim of Magic of Logic series. So do watch that. Thank you so much. See you all in the next video.